Guys, what's going on? In this video I want to talk to you about some extra ways of finding profitable products, using the third-party strategies, some outside methods, and particularly to talk about more accurate research on how to determine whether the product is going to sell or not, and how to narrow down your research and do a better job in finding those products for third party to sell for the higher margin. So in this example here, I'm going to use Walmart. I'm going to start from the basic, one of the basic third-party suppliers, the most common, if you want to call it the most saturated supplier. I'm going to start with comforter sets because I love comforter sets. I'm a comforter set lover. In case you don't know what to sell on American eBay or even UK eBay, the comforter sets always go so well no matter the competition. I've been selling them like crazy, just like knowing what to sort of list. Remember, go for the cheap products. Remember, go for the nice looking ones, nice looking, cheap, and easy to sort of give a $15 to $20 markup. So let's start with something that I probably find attractive myself. Let's do a price range of 25 to 50, and I'm going to show you some extra ways on how to determine whether you're going to be the only seller on eBay and what other things you got to consider when you first starting drop shipping on eBay. All right, 49, 42, blah, blah, blah. I'm just looking for something that is nice. Let's see. No, I cannot see that anything that is nice to me so far. I just want to find something random. I don't want to find it. I don't want to be too competitive, but at the same time, I don't want to go a bit too far. So let's do this carry 4-piece. This looks pretty nice. By the way, I forgot to untick an option. If you want to be 100% sure it ships from Walmart, you want to go there and untick the option it's only sold by Walmart, because you don't want to be using a third-party sellers. So full queen and blue. Here's what you also can do in order to determine what is sort of going, and if between the comforter sets, you can use the Therapy tool, all right, and you can go to do the hot search. So let's just do the hot search on a particular niche that we want to research and try to sell. So if you have no ideas, like you have this, this idea sheet that I give you guys, like the little notepad that of the products you can go for. If you want to be a bit more sort of step by step and forward with the things, click on the hot research, and you want to find out what is actually demanding on eBay. So here you want to type in, just do comforter sets, and we will know based on that what is going hot. So queen bed in the back, full bed in the back, twin comforter sets. So we know straight away queen size are doing good. Full bed in the back does well. Camo does well. So let's go and do the camo search. Let's do camo comforter sets, just to be sort of more step by step. This is a very popular one. I used to sell this one a lot. This is 232, 49.96. This looks nice. I like that. I like those kind of colors here. I mean, it might not be exactly camo. It's like a sort of like a jungle scout, right? Jungle scout type. All right, yeah. So queen size, remember guys, because we performed the search, the queen was popular, even though we might not say it's comforter set, but people are looking for the queen. So choose an option, queen, and we want a mint. Which color do we want? Let's do this here, snow. I like that one. Maybe let's do mint one. Yeah, let's do mint one. Yeah, let's do mint. I think it clicked. Did it click? Yeah, it clicked. All good. So let's grab this title here, and we're gonna go straight to eBay and do that search. Cole's still browsing. I don't know why. Go on eBay, slam it in, check what's going on. All right, you see, I cannot find this one particularly straight away, so that's a good sign and a bad sign straight away. Okay, 77.81. That's somebody selling here, has a horrible title. Guys, from the other video on the third-party supply, the big video, that this is not the best way to sell the product from the third party. This one here, 72.30, queen again. How much money is he making? And he's buying it for 61.90. He's barely making anything there, but he's got a very bad title, and we really don't care about this, this seller here. So 74.01, 83.92. What I'm doing here now is I just want to kind of jump from this seller here and see what else he's going to store. Strategy 28641. Then go to his store. Excuse me. Have a little browse around what he has. He's got this nice attractive set here, 2 watches, maybe made some sales. I'm just showing you guys on how to sort of create that understanding of what to look for when you're doing third party. And that's why I want you to teach your VAs, like this Madison Park here, 5 watches. Perhaps he's gonna sell one. You basically can just go down here and just conduct a quick search and see what is going on. And probably it's gonna be on Walmart. This looks like a Walmart product. I'm not a robot. Come on, guys, is you gonna do this for me right now? Street signs, come on, seriously. There you go. Thanks God it didn't ask me for the second or third time to do this thing. See, I can't pull it up on Walmart straight away. That's a mystery thing. But I can see it's on Amazon, guys. It's on Amazon. That's interesting. So he dropships it from Amazon. $82.99. He's barely making anything from it. I mean, maybe about $3 or $4. But yeah. So here's what you want to do. I mean, you found this item here, right? So, and then from then onwards, you can probably look through other dropshippers on on eBay and see what they have the product selling for. This one's trying to be creative and do the picture like sort of upside down and etc. You have your competition here sort of laid down in front of you, all right? But if you want to be the only one out there, what you can do is you can go back and let's just try to find a random, a random listing, not so obvious, let's say. Let's do, this looks good. It has no reviews on Walmart. That's a sign that this item might not be very popular, but you never know. It could be a good seller. You never know. Let's do this cashmere one here. And choose an option as a gray. Let's do full queen, because full queen is the most popular color. The price is very fair. So I'm going to just take a title. I'm going to go on eBay again. I'm going to conduct a search. I want to see my competition. All right? Just like in the video one. All right? $16.99, $83. There's quite few competitors here, and they're all doing drop shipping. They're all doing drop shipping. This is a king size here. Is there king size available here? There is. It sells for how much? 54. So that's a good example of an eBay dropshipper. 54 sells for 74. That's a very nice margin here. So click on his name, and we can just take a look what he has selling. He only got 396 altogether actually, and he's got a lot of comforter sets. This probably comes from Amazon. 28 sold. So just for you to generate some ideas that maybe to piggyback from this particular seller and try to sell sort of the similar things. So here's what you can do. Since the seller sold 28 of those bath towels, okay, pink 10-piece bath towels. This guy's more of like think outside the box type of strategy. What I try to teach my VAs, and you should try to think the same way. You found a dropshipper, you check it out, what's going on, $14.97. Is it the same item? Yes, it will be. It has a variation of a pink here. And how much is selling it for? $19.98. With cashback, he makes about $1 or so, not more than that. But he's making his buck. He's making his buck. I mean, he does a lot of sales. So now what you can do is you can find a less competitive supplier. That's why I have the calls open here. And let's go and just type in a 10. Let's just do a pink towel. Pink towels. All right. Let's check it out. Just some towels. It doesn't have to be really pink, but towels are hot, but I mean particularly the pink ones. So then we just look through. That's a nice one. Look for the fair price. I mean, be reasonable. Be reasonable. Don't have to be something crazy. This looks like a Walmart sort of a price. Sonoma Goods for Life. Is it different? It is. This is Mainstays 10 poly pack. So I'm just going to open this one up, and this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to actually search for this product online and what is it going for. First of all, before proceeding with the basic search on eBay, just by grabbing a title, let's do this. I'm just going to grab a title, and I'm just going to go on eBay and try to see what is going on. Is there any competitors doing the same product? No, I don't see it straight away, not by the title. So you're probably getting confused right now. What's going on? I mean, I can't find any other dropship. Is that a good sign or bad sign? Well, it's actually a good thing. It's a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. You can't find competitors, so you don't know what sort of price to give it to. But at the same time, there might not be competitors, which is a good thing because you're using a less competitive supplier, and you can then try to do a deeper search. How do you do that search? It's very simple. Simply click on this product. So I'm clicking View Large in this case for the calls. And you want to right click and click Search Google for Image. So you're looking for this product on the internet. Boom. I can't see, well, unless of this same image, the same particular item anywhere on the internet apart from Dictionary of Cambridge. That's all, guys. And the Wikipedia, something, I don't know. So this item is not coming up on a Google search for us. All right, maybe let's go for less of an awkward product to give you a better idea. But basically, it means it's not available anywhere. We couldn't find it on eBay, and it looks like the Google is not even, it can't find that same image on eBay or anywhere. So this looks like a nice one, a Valentine flamingo hand towel, but maybe it's a bit more seasonal. All right, so there's some expensive stack towels here. Let's go and just do something else. I want to look for a reasonable price too. There you go. That looks nice. Loved by Lottex, I think. Lottex trellis sculptured. So again, view larger, and let's just perform a quick search by Google. So that's just to give us some idea. The towels are good and trending. You're looking for the Google search. They're available at Kohl's, only at Kohl's, nowhere else. We can't find them anywhere. So use the Google image search to determine whether the item is available anywhere. All right? Because if you do the same thing on those towels here, let's Google them. Even though it's got the watermark, which could confuse the Google, I can probably guarantee it's going to be on eBay a couple times. Amazon, Walmart. Let's go back on page. There was eBay here. eBay. There you go. I mean, there is some search for those towels. All right, and if you're going to go for the more sort of obvious products, if you're going to go to, even the same old Walmart and do that, what we did, it's actually here. If you do the search for this one, and you saw it available on eBay everywhere, right? You're going to have a lot of eBay links right now. Look, see, there's a lot more search here. 10, Walmart, BHG, Walmart. Well, the first, obviously, the site is going to be selling what primarily at, but then it will come eBay after that. Amazon, some dropshippers selling this on Amazon, I can guarantee. And eBay will be there's eBay.com link here. You see, guys. So this item is sparking up on eBay, on Google's search engine, eBay. There you go, Pinterest, BHQ. So this item is available at a lot of the places. That means it has a lot of competition. Hope that, guys, makes sense to you. And I mean, this really should help you out with determining the better research criteria for your product. You see it, Sears and Southwick barbecue, and it's just, there's loads of research for this product. So it means it's quite saturated. And when there is saturation, there's always, something to think about, guys. Okay, hope you understand what I was saying, and then, I mean, this is pretty nice and straightforward, and it's definitely going to help you out with your research on third party. It works the same way for UK, works the same way for any other marketplace. The Google image your products. Make sure to go from other sellers. Make sure to see and act and think smarter. So always think outside the box. That's the key, guys. That's the key to making the sales. And it's exactly what I've taught my team to do, and this is what you should be doing and teaching your team as well. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye bye.